Did you know a comet changed the course of Roman history forever? When Julius Caesar died, Romans held funeral games to honor him. During these games, something incredible happened. A massive comet blazed across the sky for 7 straight days. It was so bright you could see it even during daylight. Romans believed this wasn't just any comet. They thought it was Caesar's soul flying up to heaven to become a god. The timing seemed too perfect to be coincidence. Augustus, Caesar's heir, was brilliant. He told everyone this comet proved Caesar was now divine. And if Caesar was a god, that made Augustus the son of a god. Pretty clever, right? This comet became Roman propaganda gold. They put it on coins and told the story everywhere. It convinced people that emperors weren't just rulers, they were connected to the gods. Modern scientists think this was probably Halley's Comet, but Romans didn't care about science. They saw divine proof. This single comet created emperor worship that lasted for centuries and changed how Romans viewed power forever.